You probably think that watching the latest Hollywood cinema is the best way to learn English now. You have likely tried to learn English by watching films, but you ended up falling asleep quickly. The truth is that most people fail because they are lazy, and they choose methods that are so boring. If you really want to see real results in a few months, you need a strategy that is so simple now. Most students spend hours staring at a textbook at night, but they never hear how people talk. I used to be just like you many years ago in school, and I really hated every single minute of it. I tried to write down every single word from the radio, but my hand got tired after 1 minute now. The secret to success is not about working much harder, but it is about working much smarter now. You do not need to sit at a wooden desk for 5 hours, because that will make your brain stop now. Let me show you a very clever trick that changed my life, and it will really change your life too. First, you must find some audio files of people chatting and save them all on your mobile phone. You should avoid those boring lessons from old books because they sound like real robots now. Real people use slang and they speak very quickly to others, so you must get used to that sound. The second step is even more important than the first one, and you must follow it every day now. Do not try to listen to English in your precious free time, because you should be relaxing now. You should listen to your audio files while you wash dishes, or when you are walking the dog now. This is what I call the ghost learning method for students, and it really requires zero effort. If you listen while you are doing something very boring, your brain will soak up the words fast. You will not feel like you are studying at a boring school, because you are just living life now. Imagine if you listen to English for 30 minutes a day while you are taking a long bus trip. After 1 full year of doing this simple daily habit, you will have heard many thousands words. Most people spend many minutes watching big films, but they only learn how to say hello today. Movies have long scenes with no talking or just music, so they are a total waste of your time. My method gives you 100% real conversation, and it saves you from being so bored. You can save over 300 hours every single year if you stop watching action movies now. What would you do with all that extra time in your life? Perhaps you could learn how to cook well. You could even use that extra time to sleep much longer, and you would still be a master now. Listening is like a giant puzzle that you solve slowly, so you must be really patient today. Do not get angry if you do not understand every word, because even native speakers get lost now. Just keep the audio playing in your ears all day long, and soon the sounds will make sense now. It is like a magic spell that slowly changes your hearing, and you will feel like a genius today. I remember the day when I finally understood a joke, and I laughed out loud in a busy street. People looked at me like I was a very crazy person then, but I was just happy to know English. You do not need a lot of money or a private teacher, because the internet has all you need now. Go find a podcast about something that you really love, and listen to it while you clean the room. If you love video games or cooking or fashion trends, find a show that talks about those now. Your brain likes to learn things that are interesting to you, so do not force yourself today. This is the only way to stay consistent for many months, and consistency is the king of it. Most people quit after 1 week of hard study at home, but you will keep going as it is so easy. You will become a listening machine in a short time, and your friends will be very jealous now. Please tell me in the comments what you will do today to start your new English journey today. I want to know if you prefer listening to podcasts, or if you like to listen to the news fast. This simple habit is the key to unlocking your potential, and I am here to help you succeed now. Thank you for watching this funny video about learning, and please subscribe for more advice. Now go and put your headphones on your ears right now and start listening to something cool. You are going to be the best English speaker in your city, and it all starts with this tiny step.